Welcome back to Turkish Televic. In today's video, I'm going to share about some of the best series of 2024 that you must watch. The next story is about a vegetarian in Istanbul named Gufan, a kind-hearted man who saves the life of a child. The very next morning, he starts receiving messages on his phone from Kubra. This attracts the attention of Mom, his girlfriend, but later it turns out to be a superpower that tells the future through messages on the phone. Bukhan seeks help from the Islamic scholar who explained that it might be a coincidence, or if it is the case, there is a hadith that warns against those who tells the future as being evil. But later, through the mini event, it turns out to help Khan in his fight against a powerful evil force in the city. Who is Kubra and what are her intention? To know more, watch Kubra on Netflix. The story revolves around Silale and Thailand, the main characters. When Sevji Irsoy, a famous TV presenter, experiences a career downturn, she suddenly marries Firkat Alabe, one of the leading country businessmen. This unexpected marriage creates shockwaves for everyone, including Silale and Thailand, who now find themselves living under the same roof. Both Sevji and Firkat have previously had unhappy marriages and wanting to start afresh. Their dream of a second chance at love won't come easy for a Selale and Thailand, who are caught in the middle. The merging of two very different families proves to be more challenging than anticipated, especially for Selale and Thailand. Will they fall in love? And how would their family accept their relationship? To know everything, watch Yan Oda. Welcome to the vibrant streets of Istanbul, where every corner holds a story waiting to unfold. Meet Dahan, a young soldier returning home after 2 long years of deep service. But his homecoming isn't quite what he expected. As Dahan steps off the bus, he confronted by a mysterious stranger with a sinister proposition to become a hired hitman. Shocked and appealed, Dahan refuses, only to discover that his best friend has been recruited for the job instead. But the Han's trouble doesn't end there. His family is in turmoil. His sister has eloped with a stranger. His younger brother has fallen into the clutches of local gangsters. And to top it all off, his girlfriend has vanished without a trace. As the Han grapples with these mounting challenges, he's forced to confront the harsh realities of the cities and people he loves. Will he succumb to the darkness lurking in the shadows, or will he rise above it to protect his family and reclaim his life? To the story in detail, you have to watch Turkish drama series Gaddar. Jalal Aga, a powerful figure who eliminates his rival, including Osman Aga, on the day of Osman's son Umar is born. To protect Umar, his mother Razia entrusts him to Asiya, Jalal Aga's wife, who raised him as her own alongside her daughter born the same day. Unaware of his true heritage, Umar grows up to be a respected young man in a contrast of his father's feared reputation. The plot thickens when Sultan, claiming to be Usman Aga's daughter, returns for revenge, leading to be fateful encounter with Omar sharing her birth date. Basically, this is the story based in 1970s. The life of two babies who were switched at birth intersect again years later in Kara Agaj. To know the story in detail, you have to watch Kara Agaj Dastan. Arad, the sole heir of Istanbul esteemed Gayali family, encounters Ozge Gunay, a self-made chef from Bursa, during a business trip. Despite their contrasting background, they fall in love and marry swiftly. Returning to Istanbul, they face unexpected challenges by the lingering presence of Arad's ex-wife, Yale, and the outright rejection by Arad's mother-in-law. How will their marriage survive, and will Arad family accept Ozge? To know more, watch Kul Masali.